Leopard print or animal print can be a little tricky. I know it seems easy, but here's a few things to make it look that much better. I went with these two palettes for this animal print look. And one thing I really like about the gelish cream gel is that the pigmentation is really strong. However, that does linger around on your brush. So I do use artificial nail remover to clean my brush, and you'll see I wipe it until I don't see any color left on my wipe. Now these little makeup applicators can sometimes have little pieces of lint on there, so I just take a little piece of scotch tape to get rid of the lint. Now with most exotic cats, their spine is a little bit darker color and it starts to fade towards their belly, which is a light color. And we're just gonna replicate that here. I'll pick up some color with my makeup applicator and then I'll dab it onto a glass palette, and then I'll do a final little dab to see what kind of pattern I'm gonna get off from that makeup applicator. I personally find that if you want a soft gradient, it's much easier if you have a fast tapping motion with very little pressure on that nail. One great thing about doing this gradient is not everything has to be perfect. If there's spots that are not perfect, you can cover that up later with your animal print spots. Now that I have my background or my gradient, I can start applying my spots. I chose to do my spots with a color that is darker than the background, but will still show contrast next to the black rings around the spots. Now when I do the black rings, I try not to make them all look uniform. I try to make them look a little different from each other, and some of them connect, some of them won't connect, and I leave some open on purpose like that. I hope this was a fun and easy tutorial for you guys. If you guys want to save 10% off gelish.com, please use my code and you'll save 10%.